Today, I'll be taking you through the best way to use our Deltora diamond ring sizing kit to help find the perfect fit for you or your partner in the comfort of your own home. In the at-home ring sizer kit, you will find 3 different tools to customize your fit. First, the ring mandrel, the key ring sizer, and the flexible plastic ring sizer. This device, the ring mandrel, is great to use if you have a ring at home that already fits you. What you would do in this case is you would slide your ring onto the ring mandrel and look where the measurement corresponds to. On the right-hand side, you will see the UK measurement system. In Australia, we use this alphabetical system to measure each person's ring size. For example, you can see this ring is between the M and the end, which means it's a ring size M and a half. But don't worry if you don't understand this, because our team at Deltora will be happy to help you once you send through a photo of the ring sizer and your ring on it. Another great way to measure you or your partner's finger is to use the keyring sizer device. With this, you can go through each size and slip your finger into one that fits comfortably but not too tight or loose. As you can see here, I'm first trying on a size 5. It comes off much too easily, so is not the appropriate fit for me. Each ring size goes up or down half a size. Next, I'm trying on a size 4.5. As you can see, this ring fits slightly more snug, but it is still too big. Next, I'm dropping down to a size 4. Now this ring slides on slightly harder than the other one, but it's not constricting at all, and it does come off with a slight tug, but still feels secure. The last ring size I'm trying is a size 3.5. Now, I was happy with how the size 4 fits, but I just wanted to see for reference how the 3.5 fits. As you can see, it doesn't even fit over my knuckle, so this ring will not be an appropriate choice. Once you secure a ring size that fits comfortably on your finger, you can slip it off your finger and slide it back onto the ring mandrel to see what size best fits your finger and the measurement too. Like previously, make sure to take a photo of the ring on the ring mandrel to allow us to see where the measurement aligns with your finger for your own personal customized fit. Another way to measure the size of your finger is using the alphabetic flexible plastic ring measurer, which is very useful if you want a snugger ring fit, as you can easily secure it around your finger to find your exact size. This method is very helpful if you're in between sizes. Another important note when doing your ring sizing fit at home is whether you have a thicker or a thinner style band. For example, this thicker band can be hard to read the measurement, but it's important that you take it from the lowest possible point of the ring. For example, for this size, you would take the size O. Another tip to sizing your ring is to ensure the angle of your photo is front on. For example, you cannot have it tilted in any way, as this could read an inaccurate measurement and your ring may end up a different size than desired. If you have larger knuckles and you're still trying to size your ring, it's important that you consider possibly going up half a ring size. This is to ensure that you can comfortably take your ring on and off with ease while still ensuring it's tight enough.